We're doing a little 2v2. There we go. Nice one. Net. There's one. There's one. Good one. Good one. Net. Let's go! Woo! Welcome back, Wieners. What is cranking? Today is an exciting day because we're not only doing a bit of spring bass fishing, early spring bass fishing at one of my favorite urban lakes, but we're doing a little 2v2. I got my buddy Grady over here. Yesterday, we absolutely yoinked him. We went all the way to before they shut it down and caught an 8, a 9, and a bunch of other fish. If you guys have not seen that video, be sure to check the link down below. It is an insane video. And then over in the other boats, we've got Jerry and Clarence. These guys are our opponent today. They're gonna be going against us. I got a quick question before we blast off. What do y'all think the weights are gonna be? Best 5, 12-inch limit.
Someone can break 20, they're gonna win it.
Oh, you think?
Yeah. Someone can break 20, I think that'll win it.
And Clarence, you fish out of your lot, so you're like, yeah, you're feeling it.
It can happen.
Okay, all right. As much as I want to continue talking and get this intro kicked off, you know what's going down. 2v2, we got aluminum versus aluminum, idiots versus idiots on one of my favorite lakes. It's prime time, spring is here. Let's go bust them open. The 20-pound bag is, I like that. I like that guess for sure. All right, Wieners, let's crank them. 2v2 Spring Bass Challenge starts now. Wow. That's crazy. I've never seen it. You are in Texas. I've caught 2 on like a DT-15 before. They were little, but they were schooling up and fish. What's going on?
Yeah, dude, it's a couple snags.
Oh. No. Snag.
Yeah, it is.
Is it fish?
Yeah.
Oh, it just came undone.
It was, there's no way it was a bass.
You don't think so?
No.
Well, there's the wake. No.
Yeah. It felt like it had a buffalo in the fin or something.
Okay,
It was
okay.
heavy, dude.
Yeah, whatever it was is huge. Fish? Talk to me. Good one? Oh, nice one. Nice job, bro. First fish of the day, and it's a good one. Oh, come here, buddy. Joking. Let's go, dude. That's a 6-pounder.
Nice, dude.
Put it there.
That was awesome.
First fish of the day.
Look at that thing. Gone,
Probably close to 6, maybe 5. A little short. Crank is gone, dude. Nice. That's a good first one. Hopefully that's our smallest today.
And it's a great sign. I mean, if they're eating it like that,
Yep.
you know?
That's true. Good job. Well, there we have it. First fish of the day. What do you have? It's probably like 5-pounder for sure.
Yeah.
On the deep crank. It's looking pretty good. We're fishing the most cliche spot you can in any lake, and that is a dam, but there's a reason why it's cliche, because it works. There's big fish here. While Grady was putting his fish in the box, I just saw one on the graph that was probably close to the same size. Looked like a real freaking nice one. So I think we're in a good spot right now. And Grady also made a good point too. That fish had that crankbait in its mouth. Like that was an eat that was aggressive, which is what you want to see when you're fishing this time of year. Like sometimes it can be tentative. Like you'll get fish that'll just get the back hook because the water's cold and they're really not in that feeding mood. But that's a fish that was fully convinced he was about to eat a shad, for sure. Well, I got bad news. We got a fish in the well that's not doing so good, and we just want to weigh her and put her back, but I think my scale's dead. Nice. We might have to do a little guesstimate. We don't have a scale. Hopefully Jerry and Clarence just give us a bit of a grace. I'm gonna say what? Just call it 5 flat. Just call it 5.
That's fair, yeah.
5 flat. Yeah.
We'll show the camera.
Show the camera and make, more importantly than this challenge, we want to make sure the fish live.
Yeah.
That's a 5-pounder dog. Yeah, all day. It's nice.
You know?
More importantly than us weighing in a fish at the challenge, we'll make sure she lives.
We'll call it 5.
We'll call it 5.
Get it.
If they dispute, you know, if they dispute that, that's fine. That's fine. That was a big carp. Have you seen that video? The guy's like, "Is that a bass?" No, it's a carp. He throws it on the bank. It's a wild video. In the boat. No. Oh God, I almost lost him. I almost lost him. Greasy little hook set, but I got her in. That's our fish number 2. We'll take him. Oh, sorry, little bud. I did not mean to concuss you like that. We might have to honestly put another fish back here in a little bit. There we go. Fish number 2. Sorry, buddy. I thought you were way bigger than that. These guys, they're like me right now.
Kind of rolled up.
I know. Think that's cool? Just pull an Ike and Ellie. Think that's cool? It's a community hall. Yeah, but you're not a part of the community. It's Classic. We got our competition ahead of us. Supposedly they haven't caught anything yet, but Jerry likes to do a little sandbagging. And matter of fact, we're doing a little sandbagging ourselves. We said we haven't caught a single fish yet, but we got 2. You think that's cool, man? Pulling right in front of me like that? Oh, nice. How could you not see my giant head? How's the bite? Cranking them? Oh boy. Well, we're gonna go see if they're up shallow back there. You guys want to join us on the other side, maybe? Yeah, we got some bites. We got some bites. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. There we go. Nice one. Net. I watched you eat it. I got it. It's all good. There we go. Nice one. Nice one, the chatterbait. Let's go, buddy. Oh, he's in the net. Oh, no. We got him. There we go. This is a nice 3-pounder. Throwing the bladed jig with the Guggen Happy Trailer. This is one of our new soft plastics, and it's meant for this exact thing. On the back of a little swim jig or a bladed jig. Fish number 3. Let's go. See you, bud. Are y'all wanting to fish this way or? Okay, I just want to make sure. We're going to keep fishing. That's cool.
How's that baby doing, John?
She's good, man. She turned 1 like a couple days ago.
Awesome.
Yeah, no, she's great, man. Thanks for asking.
On Lake A this year?
What's that?
Have you done much fishing out here this year?
No. This is like my first time out here this year.
Yeah,
so I
bullshit. You were out here with that big ass lure.
I was, you're right. But I wasn't fishing. I was like, I was fishing. Yeah. Something's hurt.
Yeah, baby. Look good for skills.
She's
full of it, dude.
She's full of piss. And then there we go. Let's go, baby.
Yeah,
go.
dude.
We just need to get that little one out of the box and catch what? One more?
One more.
One more. We got ourselves a limit. About 3 pounds. Yes, sir. We ran into some viewers earlier. I actually had met these guys at a tournament a long time ago, and they remembered me and I remember them, and just kind of shot the for about 5 minutes there, but there we go. Nice 3-pounder. Put him in the box. Let's go.
Yo.
G-Dog, what's popping?
Not much, just on the dam.
That's my spot.
Dude, sorry.
Dude, you can't.
All your fish,
you can't fish that. That's kind of a local honey hole. I also have to bleep that out. The dam?
Yeah.
Nobody knows about that spot, man. Keep it on the hush.
Yeah, it's pretty low key. I won't tell anyone.
What's the word? How's the live hole looking? You got water in your boat?
We got water and we got some green things.
Oh, it's game time, baby.
It's game time.
It's game time. Jerry wants the smoke. I love it.
Yeah.
Well, cool, dude. Keep cranking. I'll let you know if we have a limit. But I think some tells me we got pretty similar bags.
Okay. Yeah. I think we got a good little competition here. The next 2 hours should really figure this out.
Right. Exactly.
Game time.
Exactly. We said what we were betting $20,000 or $30,000.
I was thinking 40,000,
Okay.
or you can just take my boat.
Yeah, pink slips. I like that. Let's do pink slips.
Yeah.
All right, cool. We'll keep cranking. I won't keep you. Let me know if you get a big one.
Sounds good.
All right, peace. Bye.
See ya.
He's like, I already have a big one. That was Jerry. Had to give a little update. In normal tournament scenarios, you can't call the competitor and be like, hey, how's the bite? You catching him? But in this tournament, in the John B Tour Series, which involves a lot of farting, a lot of missing fish, and sometimes catching fish, and just a 2v2, you can call your opponent and see how they're doing. But they are, I would say I bet they've got 4 fish. I bet we have 4 fish, they have 4 fish. What's gonna be crazy if it's close and we have to take a grace on that 5-pounder, that's gonna be not good. They're gonna fight us. They're gonna fight us tooth and nail. Like if it's like by a half-pound margin, they're gonna be like, that's not a 5-pounder, it's a 4.5-pounder or something like that. So anyway, Grady's out there doing what I do best, and that is just mindlessly scoping in the front of the boat.
I hate it.
It sucks, bro. He's got a crappie lure on a casting rod right now.
Look how cute that bait is.
Look at that thing. Dude, that thing is sick. Dude, if I was on scope, I'd eat the shit out of that thing.
Yeah, they're not.
Anyway, we're taking a little road pop break, and we're gonna get back at it here in a little bit. Feeling good. We need that 5th fish though. I think if we get a limit, we probably are looking at like close to 16 pounds, which is not bad, but we want 20. We want above 20. There we go. Good one. Good one. That'll keep, I think. That'll keep, maybe. Is that 12? I don't know. I don't know. It's gonna be close. This might be our limit fish.
12.
You think? Yeah. And a bumper just in case. She's 12. She's 14. We'll take her. There we go. That's a limit. We got to get rid of this guy, but hey, we got 5 fish. Let's go. Whew! Ate it on sight. On sight, on sight. This is it. Last 15 minutes of the derb. We have a limit. We have an unofficial 5-pounder as a part of our limit, like kind of anchoring our limit right now. We're gonna see if we can maybe pull something off here. This is a spot that usually fishes good right now. The weather has just turned. The clouds have burned off, the sun is coming through, the wind is cranking. It's gonna get like 30-mile-an-hour winds. We haven't experienced that yet, but it is cranking right now. This spot's protected. Usually we catch them on the bladed jig here, and when we do, they're big. So, listen, I love you, Jerry, but I'm trying to beat you. I'm trying to bury you, homie, with all due respect. So we're gonna go throw the bladed jig here with the Happy Trailer and see if we can make it happen. Last 15 minutes, let's go. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. No, I lost him. That would have bumped us, dude. Dog, keep fishing, keep fishing, keep fishing, keep fishing. It's good. It's all good, it's all good. It's all good. Keep rolling, Caleb. I'm gonna get another one. I'm gonna get another one. There's one. There's one. There's one. Good one. Good one. Net. Good one. Good one, dude. Good one, bro. Holy. Hang on. Let's go! Woo! Attaboy! Buzzer beater bass, baby. It's a tank too. Oh, holy shit, dude! I've never been so hyped in my entire life. I've never been so fucking hyped in my life.
That fish did not want to come in.
How many minutes do we have left on the I got a timer set. Jerry and I both set a timer at the same time. 18 seconds left on the timer, dog. 18 seconds. Look at that fish. Look at that fish. Let's go, dude. Woo! Oh, I'm so pumped right now. How about that? Oh, there's the timer. That's the beater. That's a buzzer beater bass, baby. I'm in shock right now. Like, listen to this thing. This thing literally went off seconds before I caught my fish. Let's go to the weigh-in, see who got the dub. Let's go. All right, weigh-in time, baby. Jerry and Clarence have come in. They don't have a limit, but apparently they don't need one.
You know, I feel all right. Obviously, you want
a little one in there, bro. I got a little one in there.
Obviously, you want to catch a limit in a tournament, but I'm hoping John just caught a bunch of squeakers.
Okay. Okay. It's number one.
First fish, 207.
207. Well, that's a generous scale, huh?
You want me to wait again?
Just kidding. I'm just kidding.
207.
No.
1.3.
I was gonna say what? So far, I'm not super worried, but that also is your small side. Oh boy, what's that? I see something in there. Okay, that's a nice one.
There's a decent one.
Yeah. They all look so good in here, man.
2.66.
2.66.
Yeah.
Y'all got another one in there?
Yeah, we got one more.
Okay. Great audio. I know.
264.
264.
Are you sure that's not
No, that's a different one.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I watched that fish that you just had.
264. So what do we got?
So total would be 867 for 4 fish.
Let's go.
How'd y'all catch them?
2 on crankbait, 1 on a shaky head, or 2 on a shaky head.
Oh,
Crankbait,
nice.
shaky head. Uh-oh. Did you beat us with 1 fish?
No.
Did you?
No. Weigh that one. First fish,
147.
Okay, another one.
Oh my. 418.
Damn.
I think we're in trouble.
Another one.
4. Just call it 4.
Another one, 4. There we go.
Wow.
That's her.
Did you weigh it already?
No.
We don't have a scale.
Caught this in the last 30 seconds.
God.
Timer
No
went
way.
off on video and everything.
No way.
18 seconds
Back
left.
of a creek.
6.4.
Let's go!
What was it?
645.
We,
Who caught that one?
I did.
Oh, really? You caught a 5 too?
We didn't wait to have a scale, so we were like, we were worried y'all didn't have anything close because we're like,
Yeah.
let's just put it on video and see what happens.
Yeah.
21.1.
20 to win.
20's gonna win.
20 won it.
Good game,
Let's
boys.
go.
Thank you. This was fun.
Damn. That's impressive.
They were shallow for us. Well, Wieners, this was a good challenge. Thank you, boys, for coming out and participating. I know it's a little windy. We've got a bloodhound back there barking, but this was fun. If you guys want to check out the baits that we caught the fish on, be sure to check the link down below. Use the code JohnB to save 10% off. 10% off your entire order. Shout out to Grady for catching some big fish as well.
Dude, that was a blast,
And just
man.
joining me. And this was fun. If you guys want to see more videos like this, we do 2v2 challenges. Drop a comment down below and we'll make it happen. As always, folks, keep fishing. Never stop. Just we stuck like 3.
How's it going?
Hey man, how you doing?
Bro, I just wanted be nice to meet you, bro.
Absolutely, man. What's your name?
I'm absolutely stoked to see you, bro.
That's awesome.
Cool.
Hell yeah.
I've watched you forever, man. Just want to say hi.
Thanks,
Grab
man.
a picture.
Yeah, of course, dude. Of course.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that's awesome, bro.
That's
no,
cool,
I'm
man.
having no other problems today. That's not bad right there. Got a couple
Oh,
friends and family on.
cool. You guys want some baits?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. I'll hook you up. There you go, homie. This ought to work out here for sure, too. So, pleasure meeting you, buddy. See ya.